diseases that contribute to shorter lifespans for African Americans continue to sort of confound us in terms of how to deal with them. The access is one thing, but then it's a question of how do you combat those things still?
Absolutely. Access coupled with actual treatment, the availability of health providers to see patients and actually make decisions that give us different outcomes is the formula that works. And that's why an organization like the National Medical Association is so important, because when we do things that help patients, it really lifts all boats. It may sound like it's an African American focus, but it's hard to talk about the treatment of diabetes, which is the #1 growing disease that we have in this country, and how we affect change in the African American community, and it doesn't translate to the rest of the community in this country.
You've got
it's a no-brainer.
That problem with kids everywhere now.
Yes, and
right?
the obesity issue. The kids are fatter than they've ever been. They're less active than they've ever been. That equals diabetes at an early age, which is a totally avoidable disease, or preventable disease if we approach it properly.
What are some of the things people ought to look out for as signs that somebody's got a real mental health issue as opposed to just being down?
So a lot of times when people think of mental health issues, they think of, schizophrenia as shown in the movies.
Yeah.
Something really bizarre.
Popular media does not help with the depiction.
It does not. It does not.
Yeah.
But really the most common ones are anxiety disorders and depression. So we all know what anxiety feels like. We all know what having the blues feels like. It's a problem when it starts interfering with your functioning. So it's a sunny day out today. It was easy to get out and get about and get your day started. If it's a rainy day, we drag a little bit, but we still go to work, or we still go to school, or we still cook and clean the house and whatever. So when your symptoms start interfering
when you stop
with getting
doing
things
those
done,
things,
yes. And that's something people can look out for, a change in the people that, in their family members or the folks that they work with.
Don't miss American Black Journal, Sundays at 12:30 p.m.